kababayan, nakakagulat yung isang balita na nagmumula sa Pilipinas at tungkol dito sa isang expose ni Senator Francis Tolentino na ito ngayon ay laman naman ng mga newspaper namin dito sa Amerika. At kababasa lang ni Dan doon sa Los Angeles kung saan siya nakabase yung isang leading newspaper diyan ng Filipino-American newspaper na sinasabi dito yung pagkakaroon ng troll farm ng China na gumagalaw at nag-i-spread ng false information against the Philippine government headed by President Bongbong Marcos. Not only against the government, but against the president himself and other officials of the government, be it the executive, legislative, I think even parts of the judiciary. At nakakagulat dahil napanood ko yung paglabas ng expose ni Senator Francis Tolentino where he said merong isang Filipino-owned and run and owned and organized by Filipinos. Ang pangalan ay Infinitos Marketing Solutions Inc. Incorporated. Na siya daw ay kinontrata ng Chinese Embassy sa Manila to provide service for China. At meron pang pinakita si Senator Tolentino na kopya ng isang tseke. At ang tseke na ito ay na nasa pangalan ng Chinese Embassy. Tingnan ko yung aking document doon sa expose ni Senator Tolentino. This is in the amount of 930,000 pesos issued by the Embassy of the People's Republic of China in favor of Infinitos Marketing Solutions Incorporated. And this check was dated September 11, 2023. Ay, ito pala, matagal na
Matagal na pala, no?
ito. Oo. So, ito ang cheque, kopya ng cheque na nasa kamay ni Senator
Majority Leader, First Senate Leader.
Tolentino. I'm sure na kung nag-ooperate pa ngayon, yung troll farm na yon, meron pang kasunod na cheque ito.
Malamang.
Kasi 2023 eh. So if it's still operating until now, this is not the only check paid to this corporation.
Right.
So there's a lot of explaining to do.
Correct.
Sa side ng Infinitos Marketing Solutions Incorporated. Kasi nakita rin ni Senator Tolentino, pinakita rin niya ang kontrata. They call it service contract in legal parlance between the Embassy of China in the Philippines and Infinitos, detailing the service that Infinitos would provide to the Embassy of China in the Philippines. And part of that contract na pinakita ni Senator Tolentino, ang sabi dito ay merong keyboard warriors. At ang mga keyboard warriors daw na ito that is supposed to be organized by Infinitos for China, they shall play a vital role in the overall effectiveness of the issue management project to foster and sustain their high level of motivation. It is crucial to provide them with competitive compensation packages by increasing their salaries to 8% each, with a total cost of 24,000 pesos per month. But the provider only increased its rate to 10,000 per month. We aim to acknowledge their hard work, dedication, and continuous commitment to delivering exceptional results. This adjustment will also serve to encourage their continued loyalty and retention within our organization, ensuring the consistency and stability of our services. So far, iyon ang ipinakita ni, o at least yan ang nakita ko sa mga pinakita ni Senator Tolentino sa kanyang expose. Anong masasabi mo dyan, Dan?
Ay, alam mo, di ba nung a few weeks ago, may mga nahuli na spies na inexposed ng ating kapulisan na yon ay mga cohorts ng China na nung inexpose sila sa media nakakover pa sila ng mga mukha nila. So
Doon,
talagang
doon sa Palawan yon?
sa Metro Manila.
Metro Manila, okay.
Oo. At siyempre dinideny nila but nakuhan pa nga nung mga spy equipment at saka baril sa yung mga sasakyan nila. Kaya
Mm.
kaya hindi na ito katakataka o hindi na ito bago kung ang sinabi mo kanina nagsimula pa noong 2023. At saka remember Ted na yung mga may nahuling mga drones sa Masbate na
Yeah.
nag talaga nag-espiya sila.
Mm.
Kaya ganyan ang China nagmamanipulate or kasi nga si President Bongbong Marcos during his term or when he began his term as president, he aligned himself with the United States.
Yes, yes.
At si former President Rodrigo Duterte naman, he aligned himself with China. So
Yeah.
kaya gustong ng China maging aliado na ang Pilipinas. But paano natin maging aliado kinakamkam niya ang West Philippine Sea. At yung mga supply mission sa doon sa ship na naka-anchor doon hinaharas. So paano natin ma-appreciate ang China kung gano'n? Why our interest doesn't lie in China because they try to manipulate the West Philippine Sea. Sa kanilang daw yun because of the Nine Dash. Kaya yun ang gusto nilang gawin. They want to subdue the Philippines and try to control the West Philippine Sea. So why do we have to align ourselves to them? Kaya ngayon marami ng mga Patriot missiles na naka ngayon naka
Kasi sa Pilipinas.
asa sa Pilipinas nakaiko na doon yung mga missiles dahil
Yung Typhoon missiles.
oh, kaya medyo aburido ngayon ng China because of that. Kaya lahat ng mga military installations talagang sinusurveil nila.
Exactly. Maalala mo, meron ding nahuli na alleged Chinese spies doon sa Palawan earlier.
Yeah.
And they were setting up surveillance cameras on top of coconut trees.
Kaya Paano mo
So
pagkakatiwala ng
they are really hell-bent into uh, uh, this man
influencing,
spying
spying?
on our country.
Yeah.
At hindi lang yun, at balikan natin yung troll,
Oh, yeah.
yung troll farm
Oh, yeah.
na sinet up for China. At hindi mo maisip na kapwa mo Pilipino nakikipagkontrata sa China
Correct.
para mag-spread ng false information at mag-aatake. Hindi lang mag-spread ng false information, nag-aatake sa ating gobyerno.
Yeah.
At kapwa natin Pilipino 'yon. May
Correct.
tawag diyan nung time ng gera between the Philippines and Japan. Anong tawag doon?
Ay, mga
Makapili.
makapili, makapili.
These are the new Makapilis.
Oh, yung mga
Itong
traitors,
taong ito,
nakipagsabuatan sa
malaman ang identity ng mga taong ito.
at at alam mo
And,
tayo,
and,
mayroon
and
ng
I
mga
hope,
53,000 followers sila.
oh, they have 50,000 followers.
Mhm.
And counting, and counting,
Counting and
pare.
counting.
And we do not know yung record ni Senator Francis Tolentino kung yung 53,000 niya, kung last year yon.
Oh, oo nga.
That
It's
could
growing.
be much more now.
Uh-huh.
Kasi ayan ang sinabi niya pero hindi natin alam. Kasi 2023 pa yung cheque na naipakita niya.
Right.
Baka there was even an earlier check
Uh-huh.
and there could have been subsequent checks. Kasi as of now, I think nandyan pa yung mga troll farm na yan.
Correct. Oo.
Diba? And it's so ironic na there are Filipinos who can be like makapilis.
La-
Ito mga bagong makapili pare.
Oo. Like
Na
si
binebenta
like
ang
si
kanilang bayan sa foreigner.
like si Alice Go, former mayor ng Bamban.
Yes.
Kuan ang sabi nga nila kaya nang-investigate si Senator Risa Hontiveros dahil he's not really a Philippine-born mayor but a spy.
Yes.
Kaya
Yes.
hindi mo
Meron ganyang mga
hindi ka magtataka kung
nabasa
ang
ito.
United States nag-deploy ng mga missiles sa ibang strategic parts of the country,
Exactly.
including Batanes and all over. Mm.
Yes, ang sinabi pa ni, by the way, ang sinabi pa ni Senator Tolentino, mga kababayan, ay ah, gumagamit sila, yung troll farm na yan, ng pekeng tao.
Mhm. Yes,
At ang nag-ooperate nito sa farm na ito ang si Infinitos. At ang sistema nito ay maraming nahihikayat na
oo.
Pilipino. At kagaya ng sinabi mo, 53,000 followers and
Mm.
friends. And as I was saying, 53,000 and counting. We don't know now how many now.
Dati nung una 50,000, ngayon naging 53,000.
Yes. Now, what I'm saying is, they are effective
Effective.
kasi nakaengganyo sila ng 53,000 followers.
Not only in the Philippines, but some parts of the world. Sometimes some countries.
But Filipinos pa rin.
Oh,
Yung
Filipino.
mga yun.
Yeah,
So, parang na-brainwash nila yung mga taong yun.
correct. Yeah.
At hindi alam ng mga taong yon na sila daw ay nakikipag-interact din as friends and followers sa mga nagraran ng troll farm na ito
Mhm.
na pekeng tao.
Mhm.
At ang akala ng mga Pilipino na followers ay totoong tao yung kausap.
Yeah.
Ay hindi pala dahil meron ngang operator na nagpapagana lahat ng ito.
Di ba naalala mo si Maharlika?
Yes.
na yung katulad ng polvoron na
Bruno.
uh, na kunwari si President Bongbong Marcos ang nag-hitit or nag
Na, gumagamit ng cocaine.
paggamit ng kung anong drugs yan. Yung pala,
Cocaine.
yung taong yun, fake. Talaga minapilate ng AI, ng
Oo, na naman, oo.
artificial
Exactly.
intelligence.
Exactly.
Kaya inimbestigan si Maharlika. Kaya,
Oo, na-expose nga yun na
yeah.
peke.
Oh.
So,
At yung pala ang Maharlika ang kanyang uh, leader or nag tumutulong sa kanya ay si Harry Roque.
silang dalawa nga yata nag-operate nun eh.
Oh, oh my goodness.
Pero by the way, nasa Los Angeles daw si Marlica pare. Diyan daw
Oh,
siya sa inyo
dito
nakatira eh. I mean, around Los Angeles, eh? Los Angeles.
gusto ko siyang ma-meet at expose siya kung sakaling ma-meet ko siya rito.
Exactly.